Hey there, it's Wong with Hands-On Therapy Services. I am committed to helping you to stay active, pain-free, and avoid things like having to take pills, getting injections, and of course, the ultimate, avoiding surgery, because we know that once you have surgery, it can be a long recovery as well. So I'm committed to sharing with you a few of the stretches that I teach our clients here at Hands-On Therapy Services so that you can stay healthy and active and pain-free as well. So if you do this, if you try this and you have pain, then just know that you can always give us a call and talk to our specialist and get the right kind of help so you can get rid of that pain, so you can enjoy these stretches a lot better. So I know I say this a lot, but this is probably one of my favorite stretches. So I'm gonna sit down. So this is really key to making sure that you do this stretch really well. So I always sit down for this, and if you can sit down in a chair or the edge of your bed or anything like that, that's stationary, it's gonna help you. You don't want it to be on a rolling surface or anything like that. It's gonna move. You're not gonna get as good of a stretch. But this is a really nice stretch. It's going to stretch the middle of your spine, right? So we know our spine, we have our neck, and we have our middle of the spine. Then of course, we have our lower spine, which is our lower back. But a lot of times people tell me they get really, really tight in the middle of their back, their upper back. So it's the upper back, but on the back side. And sometimes people just say it's their back, but it's actually their upper back, and really hurts their shoulders. But sometimes people don't call it shoulder too, because it's kind of like this weird area in the middle. But this is great, and making sure that your thoracic spine, this middle part of your body that your arms are attached to, if you make sure it moves really well, then your arms can have a chance to move really well and stay healthy and active and avoid having pain. So all you're gonna do, this is something that that I love doing myself as well. Oops. I put my hand on my chest, just relax my arms, and I'm going to turn, okay? I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna twist to one side, all the way over. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to kind of look behind you, so you can turn and you can twist as far as you can. So having really good motion, you can see that my shoulders kind of get leveled, or what I call stacked. So you're gonna look all the way over, across, all the way back behind you, hold it, hold it, hold it, and you're trying to think, oh, let me stretch my shoulder, my chest, and my belly all the way back. That's a really good one. And so you can do one side and you can do the other side, and you can kind of see where you get stuck. Hands on your chest, just relax your arms, and then I'm gonna twist. Do you see it? I'm a little tighter on one side than I am on the other side. So you can try these out, and you can hold it for about 10 seconds. Well, maybe 10 seconds is a long time, but if you can hold it for about 5 seconds and take a deep breath, you're gonna feel really nice and stretched out. Now, if you're really stuck and you have pain, and sometimes when you're stuck here, you're gonna have pain in your shoulders, or you're gonna have pains in your elbows. So if you're somebody who's feeling a little bit stuck, a little bit painful, and you wanna make sure that you avoid having more problems down the road, then just give us a call. I'm gonna include the link below where you can grab some free information from our website if you're having any trouble at all. And if you're somebody who is having a little bit more pain, then just know that you can give us a call right away and get clear in terms of what's going on, what's wrong, so we can help you get rid of that pain so you can stay active and be pain-free and actually enjoy this stretch better. All right, so I don't know about you, but I know tons of people always that are having some problems with their arms, their shoulders, their back. So if you know somebody who would really enjoy this stretch as much as you like it, as much as you enjoyed it, then please feel free to share this video with them as well. Thank you.